Okay, welcome again to Leumastudios. In this section, we are going to be looking into angle bisection, or I will call it bisection of angles. So the first thing we are doing now is to bisect the angle between two lines, line XY and YZ. So to do this, the first thing we have to do is to open a compass to a convenient radius. Okay, before we start, it will be good to know that bisection of angle also means dividing your angle into two equal parts. So to do this, we're going to open a compass into a very convenient radius, and then we mark an arc from point Y. We mark an arc from point Y. So after marking the arc, the next thing to do is to label our point of intersection on XY and YZ as M and N. So from these 2 points of intersection, we mark another arc using any convenient radius. From point N, we mark an arc, and from point Y, we mark another arc. So doing this, we have another point of intersection at point K. Okay, so drawing a straight line from point Y to point K gives us the bisection of this angle Y. So with this, we have the angle divided already. Okay, so question number 2 says construct angles 45 and 60 using a standard set scale and bisect both angles. So to construct an angle of 45 and 60 using a set scale, we have a first line here, and then we have the second. So to construct an angle of 45 using our set scale, we have a 45-degree set scale in which we are going to be using to construct our angle of 45 degrees. So we have this to be point A, this to be point B, and this to be point C, with an angle of 45 degrees. And then to the second question, we asked us to construct an angle of 60 degree using our set scale. Use a 30 and 60 degree set scale to map out the angle, which is 60 degrees. So we have this to be X, we have this to be Y, and we have this to be Z. So we have an angle 60 degrees. So by setting these two angles, to do this, we follow the same pattern to which we did in the first example that we had. So we're going to construct or mark an arc with a convenient radius using a compass at point A, marking an arc that touches line AC and AB. With this, we mark out a point of intersection, which is these 2 points. The first to be our point E and our point F. So from point, open your compass to any convenient radius, and at point F, you mark an arc from the 2 points, and then you join your point E to the new point known as point D. So with this, we have the bisection of our 45 degrees. So dividing 45 by 2, we have angles 22 and half on both sides. So to the second line, using the same method, using any convenient radius, we mark an arc touching xz and xy. Then from the 2 points of intersection on xz, we have it to be k, and the point of intersection on xy, we have it to be q. Then from these 2 points of intersection, using any convenient radius, we mark another arc and we go to point K to cut the arc. So at the point of intersection, again, we have this to be point P. So we join point X and point P together to get the line of our bisection between the two line XY, between the line XY and the XZ. So we have this to be 30 degrees and this to be 30 degrees.